guys, it's Lions Kids.
I'm Patience.
And I'm Star.
And today we're making
chocolate chip cookies.
So let's see what ingredients we need.
So we need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So let's head to the pantry to get the things we need. Okay, so we need some vanilla extract, now that we have our vanilla extract, let's get the rest. Our flour, salt, baking soda, chocolate chips, and white and brown sugar.
The rest of our ingredients are in the fridge. So let's go find them. So we need butter and eggs.
Before we get started, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we can start making the cookies. So first thing, we mix in our white and brown sugar with our softened butter.
So we need 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Give that a good mix with a hand mixer or a regular whisk. Now we need to put in 1 large egg. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Now we're gonna mix that up and wait for the next step.
In another bowl, we're gonna mix our main dry ingredients.
1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour,
and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we can mix all those dry ingredients together. Whew, this is some work.
Here you go.
Thank you, Pepe. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients.
Only a little bit at a time.
And we're almost done with our cookies. All we need now is the chocolate.
These cookies will be done in no time.
Now you could use regular chocolate chips, but we've decided to cut up a regular chocolate bar.
Now let's mix it in our dough.
Great job, guys! We're all done. Now we just need to pop it in the oven. We need to clear off this counter. And it's clean.
Now get a large pan and make sure to grease it with some oil.
Now let's form our dough into little balls and put it on the baking sheet.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're all done. Now time to put it in the oven. Make sure you have someone to help you because the oven is very hot. Now leave them in there for 9 to 12 minutes and probably do an activity while you wait. Alright, cookies are all done. Time to take them out. Alright, we'll cook a few more batches and we'll be right back.
We're all done! These cookies are actually for a party. That's why we made so many.
So let's go change into our party outfits, right, Patience?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's go change.
Thanks, Dad, for taking us to this party.
No problem, Pumpkin. No problem at all.
Ooh, girls, this smells good. I'm excited to try y'all chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, don't worry. There'll be enough for everybody.
One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called Papa and Papa said,
Everyone, they're here. Head to the backyard.
three little bunnies sitting in the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called Papa and Papa.
Everyone's in the backyard. Let's go. Truth is, this party is really for you guys. We wanted to thank you guys for giving us 5,000 followers. You all have been very supportive, and this party is just for you guys.
And if you're new, please subscribe and come join the party with us.